Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the euro currency. So as you can see, our assumption yesterday that market probably should start upward direction was correct, and indeed market showing bounce up from our major support area. So on the weekly chart, yesterday we have mentioned this strong support. This is some cluster previous lows. Weekly were sold, minor fib level, major 50% level. So 115 is an area right now is working as a strong support, and here is logical to suggest some bounce up. In fact, we are watching for pattern here, so it's this kind of the hand shoulders could be formed, and we think that this bounce should be at least 120, 121 if the fundamental background will not change and everything will stand as it is. And as we have discussed in our weekly reports, in this case downward action is more probable. It's reversal after bounce. But if European Central Bank will start to change the policy, give some hints on some more hawkish behavior, well, this could really lead to upward continuation. So since this is, guys, weekly chart and monthly chart, they mostly is based on the fundamentals, and currently we can't say definitely what will happen within the 2-3 months. It will depend on the rhetoric of the European Central Bank, its steps, what steps will be done, what measures will be taken in a policy. So currently, if it will stand as it stands right now, more probable is downward continuation. So, but anyway, first we will be watching for a bounce here. So on the intraday charts, guys, on the lower time frame, today Thursday, tomorrow we will get the non-farm payrolls release. So our suggestion that market should show at least double harmonic swing has been completed, so it was really fast. And today in the morning, market has completed this target. Also, take a look that market has formed nicely looking bullish engulfing pattern. It means that on the intraday charts we could get even higher action, and it's totally agrees with our suggestion that probably action should be at least to the 120, 121. But we will go step by step, and first we will be watching for this engulfing pattern. Engulfing, as you know, suggests the target that approximately equals to its bars. So if you will measure the legs of the engulfing counted to the upside, you will get approximately the target. And in second moment, that usually by the engulfing pattern, market shows kind of the A, B, C, D action on the lower time frame. Also take a look, market also stands at the daily result as well. But this is not yet, this is not all, guys. So also take a look at this recent drop. In fact, guys, this drop is suitable for Jordan application. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars to the downside. No meaningful retracement has happened, and in fact, right now we will have Jordan brand by the sell, which suggests. I just need to put 3x3 moving average to be sure that market has crossed it. Right. So today could become the first close above the 3x3, and today the first chance where the brand body could start. If you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, this is the 3-8 level and the first level where brand body could start. And chances that market could start bounce right from here are not really small, because in fact we see the completion of the harmonic swing. This is first moment. Second, 117 is the confidence resistance. It's not just the 30% resistance of our thrust, but this is confidence. It's also weekly pivot point. That's why it seems the reasonable bounce could follow right from this area. Although, as you know, the brand body could start from the higher level, but it should reach it within the 3 closes above the 3x3. So it will be 118, but in the current circumstances, guys, I think that it's not really very probable. Besides, we have the engulfing, and engulfing suggests usually some retracement as soon as the engulfing itself has been completed. That's why I think that the chances on the starting brand bottom are greater right from that level rather than from high level. So we will see. Hourly chart shows that brand bottom could start by the nicely looking butterfly, because if you remember yesterday we also talked about this A, B, C bottom pattern. This here was the Gartley triple to buy, and tell this OP target, XOP target. So all these targets have been achieved already, has been touched. So yesterday was a very good session. This market has moved higher with the following the harmonic swings and completion these intraday objective points. Right now we need to increase the scale, so mostly we are watching right now for a 4-hour time frame chart. There are a lot of chances will be. First of all, today we will be watching for the brand bottom, so it could start right from here, because this 117, as I said, will be also a conference, and we have the reversal pattern that could trigger downward action. So that's not bad opportunity trying to take the short position, because you could also place very close stop, just slightly above this level. Target of this action will be approximately 116, 618 support over the whole upward action. That's the target, classical target of the brand body trade. It's 618 retracement. It's 116 area approximately. So, but this is only the half of the story. The second half stands with this retracement down. So probably it could take the shape of some kind of the ABC pattern. In this case, next that we will need to do is just keep watching for bullish continuation patterns. So if it will indeed take the shape of the ABCD, we will get large Gartley triple to buy. So it also should be visible on the 4-hour time frame chart. Some kind of the ABC retracement will give us Gartley triple to buy, and this will be another opportunity for high action maybe right to the target. So that's the pattern that we will be watching for. So you can see euro currency right now is a really gold mine for different setups. Yesterday it was a very good setup. Today is also. We mostly already have the context for the brand body trade in place, and also in perspective we also will be watching for bullish continuation pattern. So let's see what we will get, and I hope that patterns that we are talking about will be formed.